yourself stuck out on the ledge, and there ain't no healing from cutting yourself at the jagged edge. I'm telling you that it's never that bad. Taking from someone who's been where you're at, laid out on the floor, and you're not sure you can take this anymore. So just give it one more try to a lullaby. Turn this up on the radio. If you can hear me now, I'm reaching out to let you know that you're not alone. And if you can't tell, I'm scared as hell, 'cause I can't get you on the telephone. So just close your eyes. Oh, here comes a lullaby, your very own lullaby. Please let me take you. Yeah, everybody's been abandoned and left a little empty-handed. So if you're out there barely hanging on, just give it one